Good morning student, Rajaku sir this side on the behalf of SKM Public School. Welcome you in the next topic video from your book The Solar System. The Sun, 8 planets, satellite and some other celestial bodies known as asteroid and meteoroids from the solar system. So students, the solar system क्या होता है, how its origin and the different characteristics of solar system we will discuss about this chapter, the second chapter, the origin and evaluation of the earth. So look at the picture student, this is the sun and the solar system, how it revolves around the sun, okay, and earth is the third planet, and the first one that we have, the very important, that is sun. So sun is the center of the solar system. As you know, as you read in the earlier classes, it is the huge and made of extremely hot and gases like hydrogen and helium. Second, the main gases, hydrogen and helium, are the huge level is found in this the sun. Then it provides a pulling force that binds the solar system, and one thing is clear that the sun is very important, and it is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. So now the sun is the center of solar system, and this is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. So the sun is about 150 million kilometer away from the earth, okay. uh, you know the earth is situated in the third place. The light of sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth. So this we have one formula that how can we get the time. So for that we say that time upon is equal to distance upon light speed, okay, and light speed you already know in the last video that 3 lakh per second, okay. So it's mean that it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach on the earth. About the distance is 150 million kilometer away from the earth. So this is important thing, and we are talking about the complete solar family, okay, the family of sun, and that is known as the solar system. And this is mainly uh, 8 planets we have that moves around the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, okay. So now student, first we talk about the planets, that there are 8 planets in our solar system. In order to their distance from the sun, they are like this. The first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Then you look one picture here, you will understand very well. And Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. First is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth. Earth stands on the third place, and then is the Mars. So it means this, okay, the Earth is stands on the third place from the sun, okay. And these are also known as the inner planets, very close to the sun, and they are made up of rocks. Those planets which are close to the sun, that is known as the inner planet, and they are made up from the rocks. Now the outer planets. So next, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, okay. So these are planets are known as the outer planets because student, these are far away from the sun, very far from the sun, and they are the huge planet made up of the gases and the liquids. So two question is emerging from here, that inner planet and outer planets. So for this, you will student, I will give you one the statement line, and my very efficient mother just served us nuts. So you will revise this statement, and this restatement will you help to understand and recognize the position of the solar family. Okay, अगर आपको ये सेंटेंस याद रहता है, my very efficient mother just served us nuts, then you easily learn about the inner planet and outer planet. Okay, let's see. My Mercury, very Venus, efficient Earth, mother Mars, just Jupiter, served Saturn, Uranus, us, Uranus, and last one is nuts, that is Neptune. So it is very easy that all of the uh, planets are very important for the solar family. Okay, now what is orbit? The orbit means the all of the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed way, that is fixed path. Okay, these paths are elongated, they are called orbits. Okay, यानी कि हमें ये कहें कि जो 8 प्लैनेट हैं वो अपने एक फिक्स्ड वे में ही क्या करते हैं, सन के चारों तरफ मूव करते हैं, एंड दैट सिस्टम इज नोन एज ऑर्बिट. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, द पार्टिकुलर फिक्स्ड पाथ इज नोन एज ऑर्बिट्स. तो लुक्स, जस्ट लुक द ऑर्बिट हियर. Yes, this is the orbits, the fixed way that we say how they are moving. हर एक planets का एक fixed way है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वो क्या करते हैं, अराउंड द सन मूव करते हैं. तो नाउ लेट वी स्टार्ट द some detail information about Mercury. Okay, the first one is Mercury. Now, Mercury is the first nearest planet of the sun. Okay, if we count that, it is stands on number 1. Okay, and it's just takes how much time? So mainly we will say one orbit around sun 88 days. Okay, Mercury takes 88 days revolves around the sun. Okay, and satellite means कि Mercury का क्या कोई satellite है जो उसके चारों तरफ घूमता है? No, there is no satellite of in our solar system. So we say that Mercury is alone revolves around the sun. The second is Venus. Okay, so Venus is the second nearest planet of the sun. Okay, and it is like Earth in size and mass. It is called Earth's twin. Okay, the very important thing that which planet is known as Earth twins, that Venus is known as Earth twins. It is known as evening and morning star. And about the revolution time, if we know, then it takes about 225 days. Okay, so it is known as evening and morning star. So Venus is also known as evening and morning star, and it is also the part of inner planets. Inner planets का ही ये क्या है, एक part है. Now then about rotation and revolution. Okay, so every Venus have rotation and revolution, and it is the hottest planets of the solar system. So look at the picture of the Venus. There is no satellite. So second things, that there is no satellite of Venus, and it's just moving from east to west side. Okay, this is the second planet of your solar system, that is Venus. So I hope student you are understanding by this presentation, or if you are watching the video then put one comment on it. आप इसमें comment जरूर लिखें अपना कि how do you feel after the watching these videos. The third that is very important student, and it is related to our life, that is Earth. Okay, so Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Okay, so Earth is the third nearest planet of the sun, and it is slightly flat at the poles and bulbous in the middle nearby the equator. So that's why its shape is described as geoid. इसकी shape को हम क्या बोलते हैं, geoid shape बोलते हैं. And then the 2/3 surface is covered by the water, so it is therefore called a blue planet. Okay, the Earth is known as blue planet because its two-third surface is covered with water, and Earth has only one single satellite. That satellite name is Moon. Okay, so Earth is the unique planet in the solar system because the reason this is the favorable condition to support life. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. Okay, there the oxygen gas, the life supporting gases is also available on the this system, this solar system planet. Okay, so this is the picture of the Earth, student. Okay, and I hope the next the satellite of the Earth is the single satellite, that is Moon. Okay, इसका single satellite है, तो Moon is only one satellite of our Earth. Okay, so this you will be learned, and its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth. अगर हम इसके diameter की बात करें, and it is about 3,84,400 किलोमीटर away from the अर्थ. ओके, तो ये डिस्टेंस भी आप इसमें याद कर सकते हैं कि अर्थ और जो मून का डिस्टेंस है वो इसमें कितना है. ओके, दिस इज फॉर योर बेसिक क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन वी विल आस्क फॉर योर. ओके, तो इस तरह के जो वन वर्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं ये वाइवास वगैरह के लिए आपके लिए आपसे पूछे जाएंगे. ओके, इट इज़ द नियरर टू द अर्थ देन अदर कैलिस्टियल बॉडीज. सो this is all related to the moon, and the moon moves around the earth in 27 days. Okay, and it's the same period of time take to rotate on its axis. So now as a result you will see the particular one side of the moon is visible us on the earth side. Okay, so this is the movement of the moon around the earth. The time is 27 days, and actually the same period that we say about the rotation. Okay, student, so this is only one single satellite explanation related to the solar system, because moon is also the part of solar system. इसलिए हम इसको भी क्या है इसमें मिक्स करके बीच में हम इसमें इसको पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है. नाउ सर जॉर्ज डार्विन told about the moon. Okay, and about the speed and whole, and the next thing, this type of the orbit is created by the moon, and the whole type of the whole mass assume the shape of dumb ball, that we say the middle narrow in the middle and the broad at the ends area, and sometime we will say it is also separated from the earth. Earlier it was the part of the earth, but it was got separated from the earth. Okay, so this caused a deep hollow in the earth which is now occupied by the Pacific Ocean. So this is all related to the today's video, student. I hope you like it. Please comment in this video after watching the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.